Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add a product in 3dcart. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just being simple. 3dcart and just click here products when you're in dashboard. Click on product list. And when you're here, you want to click here on add a product. Now you can choose simply name. Let's go like, I don't know, Nike shoes. Then you have this here, the product ID that you can add if you have. And then you have also manufacturer's part number. Also, if you have it, this is good if you're drop shipping, for example. Now you just add here description. Description is really important for SEO. And so Nike shoes, let's go summer edition. Of course, I'm not going to like add here real long description, but just like add here basics like, I don't know, really good Nike shoes to wear, whatever. You can also change like the font name if you want to. And then you have like product type, physical product, gift, or digital product. We're going to click on physical. Categories, let's click sort categories. And right here, you want to like add a new category. And let's go with the, I don't know, Nike. Okay. So we have under men, we have Nike. We can select also men, and we can also add like shoes, where to place it, men, or like, okay. And then I would add also that. So close, as you can see, we have men Nike, men, and men shoes. So in these three categories, we're gonna have our product. Then we're gonna see like images here. I would just find it. Again, simple upload. Nice. Price 80. Then we go like retail price if you want to. You can track this product inventory or you don't need to track it. It's up to you. You have distributor and manufacturer here, and then you go like shipping information, and you can add it as a free shipping, for example, or just shipping markup, and just add it and weight and everything. Options, size. Let's go with, I don't know, 43. Nice. And voila, here we have it. You can also add a new options if you want to. And then just click save here. Okay. And now when we have it, let's click the view the store. And this is pretty much it how we do it, guys. Pretty simple, pretty easy. We have the first product. Okay. And then like images here and everything. Options. You can have custom item for your size. You can literally edit everything here. So this is pretty much it how we do it. And then we have like the product here. And while I can simply add it to cart, and that's good. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. But this is how you can simply add product in 3dcart. Have a great day and goodbye.